National Leave the Office Early Day is coming up on June 2nd. If you'd like some background about how this holiday even got started in the first place, then see the description below for a link to that explanation. Whether I'm working with individual clients, with associations, or businesses, a common thread is that they're more short staffed and dedicated employees are putting in more and more hours than ever to make sure that everything gets done. This is admirable, but it's also a huge problem. When a company's best, most dedicated employees are not taking a break from work because they feel obligated to pick up the slack, that leads to lower productivity and eventual burnout. If you are one of those hardworking individuals, congratulations on your work ethic, but you should be aware that not allowing yourself to disconnect from work and not allowing yourself to create downtime also leads to a downslide in your self care, your health, and your well being. Lucky for you, the perfect holiday is coming up on June 2nd, and that is National Leave the Office Early Day. This is for those of you who don't feel comfortable taking several days off from work to rest and recharge, rejuvenate. What if you just took the afternoon off to go home or go to a movie, take a nap, go to a restaurant that you've been dying to try out, go on an extra long walk with your dog or your favorite human? Hey, how about you go for that massage you've been promising yourself for a long time? Do something fun or do something relaxing or do something that's a combination of both of those. Whatever you decide to do, please do not feel obligated to check your work email and your work text. In fact, before you leave work, make sure that you set your autoresponder on your emails and your instant messages wherever you can before you leave work that day so you don't have to worry about checking those. You owe it to yourself to get some rest and recharge. Enjoy.